Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Galaxy Station. Today's video is all about one of my very favorite app on Samsung ecosystem, Expert Raw. Samsung's Expert Raw is an innovative camera app for Samsung flagship smartphones that provide raw files that can be professionally filmed and edited later. As you might already know, my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra already running Android 14 and One UI 6.0. So Samsung is surprising us with a massive Expert Raw update. To update this app, you just need to open Expert Raw app, then Samsung will automatically tells you a new version of Expert Raw is available. So I am clicking update. It will now open in Galaxy Store. So what is the special thing in this update? After this update, you can use ND filter inside your Expert Raw app, which I am sure will transform your mobile photography experience. Normally, the Expert Raw offers a wide dynamic range, full manual controls, HDR multi-frame capture, and direct integration with Adobe Lightroom. Problem is, the Expert Raw app is only available for Samsung flagship users because the app is designed for advanced photographers who want to have more control and flexibility over their mobile shot. Yes, the app is now installing. Yes, the installation process is complete. Now I am opening the app. Where is ND filter? Yes, at the top left, there is the ND filter option. There is the ND filter strength button. It varies from 2 to 1000. Wow, that's amazing. Now you can capture high quality photos of waterfall just with your smartphone. You don't need a DSLR or separate ND filter. Your Samsung Galaxy's Expert Raw app will do everything from now on. This is a game changer. I have no doubt. I am sure I will test this feature very soon. In the meantime, the app version number of this Expert Raw is 3.0.02.8 and you can only download this update after Android 14 One UI 6 update. That's it for now. I don't have any waterfalls or moving object right in front of me now. So this is the end of this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Happy updating.